What's up, YouTubers? I just wanted to do an update video on how I got this XLX2 to fit on this Slash 4x4. My Slash, I had to make this custom brace I had to make right here, which I got the idea from the Limitless because they got that little brace and it bends down and go up under and come back up like a little, chassis brace, and the XLX2 fits right in there perfectly. So if you want to put an XLX2 in your Slash 4x4, you can make this little brace. I got a little, bought the little piece from Lowe's, and there's a little bender we got from Harbor Freight that bends it, and that's how we bent it to go to fit on there, so I got it to fit. So just a little update video on how to get the XLX2 in your Slash 4x4, because I know it's way too big to go anywhere else, so, but it can fit in there. You just have to just make the little brace. I drilled a hole through there, so one wire to come through there, the other wire just come around the side. So the motor plugged directly into it. So, but I got it on there. I'll be running this car sooner or later. I don't really run it much, but I'm about to start running it. So, and another thing I want to say, what y'all know, is these damn fans. These damn turbo fans, that's running $50, $100. These fans cost $5 from AliExpress. Go to AliExpress, you get these turbo fans for $5. And they're good fans. I got a bunch of them. I got a whole bunch of them. So you can get these turbo fans for $5, $6, from AliExpress. You don't have to pay $50, a fan. Just to save y'all some money, because it's a very expensive hobby. So if you want to save money, get the turbo fans from AliExpress. They're real big, thick turbo fans. Wire them up. Let me see. This is a 3S battery. They run on 3 or 4S. I think this one run on 4S. These run on 3S. So, but you can plug them up. Let me see if I can plug them up. See if I can plug it up here. Let me sit this down somewhere, hopefully. Plug it up. They cool. Pull a lot of air. I don't really see that little thing, but they blow. So, but they $5. Shit, hold on. Let me unplug that. But you get them from AliExpress for $5. So just to save y'all some money. These fans are, I was like $50 for a fan. But that's a little update. Get this XLX2 up in here to fit on this Slash 4x4. I got some more cars. Let's go look at them. That's my little flower horn. He be acting up sometime. He don't really like nothing. He be beefing. That's my little flower horn. Yeah, up there. Only car I really run is, the Limitless. That's that one. I don't really run the Fortec 2.0, Fortec conversion, my TC4, my drag car. You don't really see too many videos. This body go to the Slash with these Fortecs because, I don't know, it's so hard to get these cars to go straight. I'm still trying to figure them out, so I don't really run them much because, getting them to go straight is just difficult. For me, at least. TC4 is the one I had the Selenium system in. I did 105 with the Selenium system. I was trying to keep up with Lightning Dad's. He did like 113 or something with the Millennium system. So, you know, well, I ain't gave up yet, but I fried the Millennium system I had in there. I got another one in there. I got another Millennium system, so I'm gonna put it in here and see if I can, you know, try to get up there to 113 where he at sooner or later. But, you know, I got, you know, my conversion Fortec. I don't know if you can see because it's so dark, but that's a Fortec conversion. It got a censored system in it. I don't really run it because I can't keep it straight. And my Fortec 2.0, you know, don't really run it because I can't keep it straight. But as soon as I figure out how to get these cars to go straight, I'll be out trying to run them. You know. But it was just a little update, you know, mainly just to show y'all, you know, I got a little basher down there. We'll be having jump contests with that one. I'm going to have to post some of them videos. You know, see who calling me. Hello? Yeah, so, alright. So this video is just to show an update on my Slash 4x4. And how I fitted this XLX2 in there, so, and, you know, y'all can get them fans for a lot cheaper. Listen, so, y'all stay tuned. I'm going to be running this car soon, seeing what kind of numbers I can get out of it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm out.